in all seriousness, what we need to do, we can work with the Daniel guys if they'd be open to it, is to figure out how to game out one. Take one that's like a consumer, natural consumer one, and just see what little things we could add through manufacturing or through whatever, and as like a PCC team,
I want to do that with a PCC.
And exactly. PCC that's what I mean. So that we can go out there and show that, okay, of course it runs Daniel precision level performance, for your defense gun, but also it can game, right? And so we, put it through the rigors that we do in USPSA, and just, beat the dog out of it, right? And show that, hey, you don't have to do that much to this gun to game it out and be competitive with it.